Oh my gosh, the things I do for you guys. It's cool. Hey everybody, it's Lauren from It's the Kellys, and today I have a really exciting review from Vessi. You guys know Vessi. They make really incredible waterproof shoes. Like these, and these, and these. Yep, these too. And these boots, or these boots. Yeah, the Kellys are a Vessi family, but they have finally branched out and have gotten some new items. They have just launched a raincoat and a belt bag. Today I'm going to show you the belt bag because we do a lot of bags here on this channel. So every time I like to film something for Vessi, I like to wait until it rains. I want puddles and I want just, you know, the rain to come down on me, especially to be able to prove to you that Vessi items are waterproof. But ever since I got this new Shoreline Belt Bag from Vessi, it hasn't rained at all. We were honestly praying for rain this weekend so that we could really film the amazing waterproof capabilities of all things Vessi. But it's got like the most beautiful 2-week forecast that we've had all summer. We're just gonna film in the sunshine and maybe we can have Nolan throw a bucket of water on us later.
We're gonna have to get creative.
Yeah. Vessi is waterproof, but they're also just great items to have for everyday life or for travel or hikes or anything like that. And then if it does rain, you're good to go. I really do think that having waterproof items during your travels are very important because I've gotten stuck in the rain so many times. I can't even begin to tell you. And then you have to wait for your items to dry when they do get wet. So if your feet are going to stay dry and your socks are going to stay dry because of your shoes, then don't you want a purse or a belt bag to be waterproof too? Not only is it going to protect the item, but most importantly, it's going to protect all the items inside. So why don't I just show it to you? And here they are. They come in 2 different colors. This is jet black and this is spruce green. And Vessi sent us both of them, one for Brian and one for me. I don't know which color I like best. Green is my favorite color, so I think it's this one, but you can't go wrong with black. So these belt bags do retail for $50. They do come in the 2 different colors, and they are 100% waterproof, just like the shoes. They are waterproof because of the Dymatex technology. And you guys, it's something you just have to experience for yourself. I mean, watching the water just bead right off of the shoes and then therefore just beading right off of this belt bag is incredible. I mean, anything I put in here is going to stay dry and then the bag is going to stay dry too. So let me show you all of the details. This really does feel just like almost like a canvas-like material. And then some of that fabric is on the inside, but it's also this kind of waterproof fabric on the inside. This pocket here on the outside just kind of flaps over and you can fit stuff in there. It's not a zipper or anything in the front. But on the back, they do have a zippered pocket. And it has a really nice little pull right here. So it's definitely very easy to zip closed and zip open. And then the inside here too is the same material. And then this slick little material in there. And then you've got double zippers here on top. And this thing looks small, but it holds a lot. Here's a key leash, so my keys are on that, and it's elastic. AirPods, I've got a portable charger, I've got a mini wallet, and I've got some chapstick, is that it? And a pen. But then you have this little pocket in here too. It's more of a mesh, and on the front side you do have 2 little slip pockets, and they are a little bit more elastic. So on a bag this small, I do really like to keep everything organized. Obviously, the great thing about a belt bag is that if you pack this in your suitcase, it's not going to take up much room at all, but you can also definitely carry it on you at all times. Honestly, Honestly, I have boarded flights with something like this before and then just put a little sweater over it or something and have boarded a flight with an extra bag. Obviously, this can be worn on your waist as more of a fanny pack waist bag, or you can wear it crossbody like all the cool kids are doing these days, and then it's just really easy to grab stuff and go. This does get to be 41 inches, so even if you're plus size, it still fits your body really well. The only thing that I am not crazy about is the size. I think it's a really great size, but I do wish it was a little bit bigger, because when I like to travel, I like to be able to have a little bit more stuff in there. So I would love if they made another one in a larger size. If this was the small and then they had a large and then you could pick your color and you could pick your size, I would love that. Speaking of size, let's go ahead and measure it real quick, because you know we do that on this channel. So it is about 8.5 inches long by just under 6 inches tall, and depth wise is about 2 inches. So I think we should test it. What do you think? All right, so in here, I have a bunch of stuff that I don't want to get wet. I have a piece of paper that says, subscribe to It's the Kellys. I have a phone. I have a $100 bill. Apparently I have a pen and some chapstick. I didn't know that. That must have been from earlier. And I have a cookie. I'm gonna wanna eat this cookie when I'm done. Brian is going to dump water on me, and we're gonna make sure everything stays dry. I'm not gonna stay dry, but everything in here and my shoes are totally gonna stay dry. Oh gosh. Okay, we can only do this once, Brian. Just like push it at me. Don't get it on the camera. It's cool. Huh. Got down my pants. You might have to pull everything out.
I will.
So fun. Get everything out.
I can tell you it's all dry if I don't get it wet. It's the Kelly subscribe.
It's the Kelly subscribe.
$100 bill.
Hey! Let's go buy something.
Phone.
Yes. Oh, it's telling me I have to do Duolingo. I want the cookie. Nobody wants a soggy cookie. Try!
We got the pen, still good.
I didn't even
And
put
the
that in there.
chapstick.
It was already in there because I used this as my purse today.
But I can tell you the inside is totally dry.
Look at that.
How are your shoes?
Yeah, those are great too, obviously. All right, guys, what did you think of the Vessi Shoreline Belt Bag? I think they're great. I love the two colors. I would love if they came out with even more stuff, because I'm so obsessed with waterproof items for travel. I think it is so essential, and I can't wait to see what Vessi comes up with next. Let me know what you guys would love to see from Vessi next. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.